Hey guys, welcome to RG3 Tech Talk. In this session, we will be learning how to create a new project from scratch. Now, we will be deleting all the files inside the source folder which we have already created from the previous session. So, select all the files, click on delete and just move to recycle bin. Now, we need to create new file under source folder by clicking on new icon and name it as index.js file. Now we need to import a couple of objects from React modules. We are going to use ES6 modules to do this. Don't worry, we will be covering this in next coming up sessions. First, let's type import space React from React. This is the module and this is the object which we are importing from that module. Same way, we need to import one more module by using import React DOM space from React DOM. Now let's define an element. Const element equals to HTML tag by using hello world. Const is a constant which is like a variables except that their values cannot be changed once they are assigned. Now let's log this and see the output from browser. To do that, type console.log. So we need to mention which element we are going to log. So copy this element and paste it here and save. Now go to browser and open console log. So just to do that, to open a console in Chrome browser, just click on F12 from your desk keyboard or Ctrl plus Shift plus I shortcut, or if both are not working, you just need to click on three dots from Chrome browser and go to More Tools and click on Developer Tools. Now go to Console tab and check the results. Here, first one was object. Object is React element which is a part of virtual DOM. Whenever the state of this object changes, React will get a new React element, then React will compare this element with the previous one and it will check out what is changed and then it will call the real DOM and update it accordingly. So that is the reason we have imported React DOM on the top in this example. Now type of this property identifies the object as a React element. What is key? Key, you might know that we pass key as a prop while mapping in React, which in our case is a null. It is used to uniquely identify an element in the virtual DOM. Now props. This property contains all of the children and in our case it is hello world. This is called props. Ref, when you need to imperatively modify a child outside of the typical data flow, we need ref. Now type. Type is the property that corresponds to the HTML element. The type of HTML element which we are using, this it will be displayed here. Now we will be see how to display the output in the browser. This is constant and this is React element and this is JS expression. The result of that is a React element which is part of the virtual DOM. Now we want to render this inside of our real DOM and that is the reason we have imported React DOM on the top of the file. Now delete this console and to display the changes in the browser you need to type React DOM dot render of the first argument we need to pass the element we want to render. So let's type element, then for second argument we need to specify where in the real DOM you want to render this. Just go to public folder just for reference and click on index, and there you can see id as root with a container. This is also a container which we will be referring by using, just go back to index file, by document dot get element by id of root. Now save the changes and go back to the browser and check. So go to elements tab, you can see root div has the container, and you can see the child elements as h1 tag here. Now we are done with creating first project.